Chinese foreign minister has wrapped up his visits to Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. As the three nations share their southern borders with Afghanistan, the escalating conflict between the Afghan government and the Taliban was a major focus of Wang Yi's trip. A meeting of the foreign ministers of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Afghanistan Contact Group was held Wednesday on the issue. Wang Yi stressed Afghanistan's independence and sovereignty and said China supports and expects the country to be governed by its own people. The Chinese foreign minister put forward 5 proposals to avoid the expansion of war, contain terrorism, resume peace negotiations, strengthen multilateral coordination, and contribute to reconstruction in the country. He also called on the U.S. to reflect on its role and responsibilities in the Afghan crisis as it draws nearer to completing its troop withdrawal after 2 decades of war. The meeting resulted in a joint statement, with the foreign ministers voicing their willingness to continue developing cooperation with Afghanistan on countering security threats in the region. Wang Yi also commented on the 20th anniversary of the founding of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. He said the organization is based on mutual trust, mutual benefit, and the pursuit of common development. He reiterated one primary mission of the SCO is to enhance security cooperation. Wang also spoke highly of the bloc's multilateral economic and trade cooperation in recent years, as well as its high-quality development of the Belt and Road Initiative. On Friday, Wang Yi said China is ready to join hands with Central and South Asian countries for a closer regional partnership under the same initiative. He suggested that countries should pursue both hardware and software development in promoting infrastructure connectivity. Wang said China is in favor of the building of a corridor connecting Central and South Asia, but opposes any geopolitical game, saying mutual benefit and win-win cooperation are 2 of China's most important principles. Wang Haiyang, CGTN.